We have a ton of really powerful AI features here at Mighty that you can use to improve the engagement and the admin of your Mighty network. To check them out, head over to your gear icon, General, and then click on your AI features. This is where you can turn them off or turn them on. There's a few that I highly recommend you keep on. The number one AI feature that I recommend you turn on and keep on is the Show Similarities feature. This feature allows your members to see the things they have in common and the similarities that they share by just mousing over or clicking on another member's profile. This makes that connection and those relationship building so much easier for your members. They don't have to go searching through that person's posts or go looking through their profile to see the reasons that they might want to connect and have a conversation. They can see all of that with just one mouse over. It's very powerful, and it makes that connection so much easier for you as a host. Next up is the Profile Writing Assistant. This helps you improve your profile content. Let me go ahead and show this off. So when you are filling out your profile, you can go ahead and click Get Me Started, and then answer these questions. What motivated you to join this community? What one thing is that you can offer others in the community? And one unique thing about you. Go ahead and answer those, and then click Suggest. And just like that, co-host will go ahead and generate that little About Me in a really nice, easy to read sentence for your members to learn about one another. Click Save, and then based on your profile, you can easily meet other people that are just like you. I clicked on Elisa's profile, and I see that Elisa also hiked Mount Whitney, and we both are a big fan of Half Dome. We both have a tent, great reason for us to go camping together. Let's go back to those AI features. We've got the Start a Conversation button, which helps members start a DM with one another based on the things we share in common. So if I go back to Elisa's profile and I click Chat, it'll go ahead and generate for me a little chat message that I can share with her in order for us to get to know one another really quickly and easily. Next up, there's the Icebreaker suggestions, which customize an icebreaker question that members see when they first join a space. Again, just a great way to start the conversation in that space. You've got Activity Assist, which helps you create engaging messages to bring your members that are less active back into your network. So people that aren't as active, which you can check out in your member list in your admin, you can send a quick message to them based on their activity. So if I go ahead and sort by inactive, I can select them all, and I can send a message, and I can go ahead and get help from co-hosts on how to word. Then there's AI Search Summaries, which helps members find results faster when they're searching for something in your Mighty network. Getting into the content for your Mighty network. Courses AI helps you generate a course outline with just a click of a button. When you have the course feature turned on in a space, click the Get Started button and let Mighty co-hosts know what your general idea is for this outline. Feel free to get specific, be broad, let co-hosts know how many lessons or sections you want, and then click Suggest Outline. And just like that, Mighty co-hosts will go ahead and generate that course outline for you. You can, of course, go back and edit anything, change things, reorganize them, but Mighty co-hosts helps you get started with that course outline. That way you don't have to do all the organization stuff yourself. Our final two AI features help you with writing content. Now remember, the connection in your Mighty network is much more important than content, which is why those connection-based AI features are much farther up in this list. However, we're here to help you if you're posting posts, articles, events, etc., and you can use the Make It Better writing assistant, as well as suggested hashtags. Suggested hashtags automatically suggest hashtags or topics to members based on what they're writing about and based on the other content in your Mighty network, and Make It Better helps you improve stuff. Type out what you want to say, highlight it, and then click on the little co-host Make It Better symbol. You can check the spelling and grammar, you can shorten it, you can simplify it, you can change the tone if you want to make it more fun. I'll show you what that looks like. Remember, you can always Control Z to go back to what it originally was, and then you can go ahead and post it. Elaborating it is really powerful. It helps you generate a stronger, longer article or whatever you are creating. Now remember, at any step along the way, you can click on these little star icons in the right of your Mighty network, again, no matter where you are, and ask for more ideas for Mighty co-host. When in doubt, use Mighty co-host to help you create your spaces, to help you create your content, and to help you bring your members together.